Hello, welcome you in Kalsi Bajar Adventure Tourism. This is sponsored by www.indiatourism.in. The spelling is www.indiatourism.in, and you can visit our blog also, http://indiatourist.blogspot.com. You can enjoy here adventure tourism also. You can bring your families and your loved ones, enjoy your lovely unforgettable moment in any trip in a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, any 24 hours. This is basically a hill area near Kalsi Bajar. So you must just secure here. But this is basically hill area. This is a river area. So must secure. If you know all security region, then you come here. So you can enjoy your lovely moment here. This is a Amlawa river basically, and this is a canal where it is near. It's born from Amlawa river. So enjoy the moment. This is a Chakrata belt, Chakrata hill area belt. This is above. You can watch it. This is a road basically which is passing above Kalsi Bajar, and you can reach Chakrata area also. This is a hill. This is a hill of basically Bijau village area. Here is if village area from those are belong to Bijau area people. Those are coming from this old route to reach their village when road was not created, vehicle road not created by those people. Now you can go through road also if you have a vehicle, if you have a cab. So enjoy your unforgettable moment. And if you want to come here, so Kalsi Bajar, so you can enjoy your beauty or hill beauty of Kalsi Bajar nearby location. This is a Narbanda area. So this canal generated from this river, and this river cover all Kalsi Bajar, all 5 km area of Kalsi Bajar. River agricultural land covered by this canal, and another canal pass from Amlawa region, that is cover in Rohada and Bias Nehri area and Jokla also. So just enjoy here if you want to come here. Some spots, some enjoy the moment here. In a summer you can come here for swimming and any party out trip. Sunday you can come from Dehradun, you can come from also Delhi. Enjoy your unforgettable moment. One bus come from 3 bus come from direct or New Delhi Kashmiri Gate ISBT, and evening 9:30 and 10:30, and another Pota Sahib Road bus is also coming from Kashmiri Gate, that is time also 10:30. So you can reach in the morning in a 2 bus reach in the morning 6:30 or maybe 5 a.m. and another is the reach in 6:30, which come in 10:30. So enjoy your lovely moment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.